Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the latest update on how to comment on a post on Instagram using your PC. This new feature makes it easier than ever to engage with your favorite content from the comfort of your desktop. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Simply type in the URL or search for Instagram, and log into your account if you haven't already. The desktop version has been upgraded, making it more user-friendly and accessible for all your commenting needs. Next, find the post you want to comment on. You can browse through your feed or visit a specific profile by searching for their username. Once you've located the post that catches your eye, you're just a click away from sharing your thoughts. Now look for the comment icon located right below the post. It usually looks like a speech bubble. Click on this icon to open the comment section. This is where you can express your opinions, ask questions, or simply show some love for the content creator. Once the comment box appears, it's time to write what you want. Be creative and authentic. Whether it's a compliment, a question, or an emoji-filled reaction, make sure it reflects your personality. After crafting your message, double-check it for any typos or errors. Finally, when you're satisfied with your comment, simply click Post. Your comment will instantly appear under the post for everyone to see. This interaction not only connects you with others, but also enhances your presence on the platform. And there you have it. Commenting on Instagram from your PC is straightforward and efficient with these new updates. Enjoy engaging with posts in a whole new way, and don't forget to explore other features Instagram offers on desktop. Thank you for joining this tutorial today. Happy commenting.